Hi, it's Anna here. Imagine a world where you don't need clients, you don't have to contact anyone, and you don't need to convince a soul. You can do it all by yourself, from the comfort of your home. Does that sound like a dream? With artificial intelligence, it is reality. And today we are going to break it down in detail. You might know Onlyfans, but have you heard of Fansly? Fansly has almost 40 million visits per month. That is a huge number. And the best part? Fansly, unlike others, openly permits and supports AI models. Yes, you heard that right. Virtual girls earning real money. If you go to fansly.com, you will see the creator section. They have great features, including referral bonuses, where you get paid not just for content, but for bringing in new people. They want to grow, and that is a massive opportunity for us, for you. But now, the main question: how do you create an AI model that looks so alive that fans fall in love with her? You could spend hours searching for complex code on GitHub, installing programs that crash your computer, and waiting minutes for a single image. Or you can do it the smart way. Why struggle with technical details when the platform AVATARS.builders exists? This is where the most beautiful and realistic models on the market are created. Forget about complicated installations. The goal is business, not programming, and I'm going to show you how. The first step to success is quality. Fans on Fansly or OnlyFans are demanding. They want hyper-realism. They want to believe that the girl actually exists. In the past, you would have to tweak complex parameters, download models, and hope the result wouldn't look like a plastic mannequin. With AVATARS.builders, it is different. This platform is built specifically for creating influencers and models for the adult industry. What is the most important thing? Consistency. That is the magic word. When you generate images in standard free tools, every photo looks like a different woman. That doesn't work for business. You need your model, let's call her Lucy, for example, to look the same in the bedroom, on the beach, and at the gym. AVATARS.builders solves this for you. Picture this. You type a simple command, or even better, let the system generate it for you. You want a beautiful blonde with striking eyes? No problem. The platform offers tools that ensure her face remains identical in every single shot. You can change poses, outfits, and environments, but she remains herself. That is the key to building a loyal fan base. And the quality? Forget about blurry details. We are talking about 4K resolution, perfect skin texture, and lighting that looks like it came from a professional photographer. I see it often. People start out, try a few free tools, get average results, and then they quit. They think it doesn't work, but the truth is, they just didn't have the right tool. Those who succeed and make the big money use professional solutions. They use AVATARS.builders. It is the difference between an amateur and a pro. So we have the perfect model ready thanks to AVATARS.builders. She looks great, she is consistent. What's next? You can't just wait for people to find her. We have to go where the money is. And the best place is Twitter, or X as it's called now, followed closely by Reddit. Why Twitter? Look at the numbers. Over 60% of Twitter users are male. And more importantly, it is a high-income audience. They are educated, they have good jobs, they run businesses. This is exactly the cream of the crop you are looking for. These are men who have no problem paying for quality content and subscriptions on Fansly. Instagram is fine, but Twitter is king for this business. There is less censorship, and the community is used to this type of content. Your task is to build your AI model's profile there, post those amazing photos from AVATARS.builders, and interact. This is where your mindset comes in. I have seen creators go from 0 to millions of views in a week. Why? Because they didn't quit after the first day. They were disciplined, they tested what worked, and most importantly, they had a product that looked professional. This market with AI modeling is brand new. It is the Wild West, and you have the chance to be one of the first settlers to claim the best territory. Things change every day, but one thing remains constant. Men will always admire beauty, and you can supply it to them. So what are you waiting for? You don't need to learn to code, you don't need to buy expensive cameras, you just need the right strategy and the right tool. Go to AVATARS.builders today. Sign up and create your first star. The potential is unlimited and it is waiting for you. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing your creations. Bye.